Desk is like right in my way. Oh, 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 stop dropping stuff. Does anyone just book massages for themselves? Because I do that all the time. If you're new here, my name is Amy. I am a YouTuber based in Wales. Beauty, travel, lifestyle, whatever blogger basically. I try and make some useful content for you guys. If you're already a subscriber, then thank you for being here. If you're new, then I'd love to have you here again, so definitely click the subscribe button. A little disclaimer beforehand, this is a sponsored video by Scentbird. I don't know how you guys feel about sponsored videos. In brief, I don't mind sponsored videos. I don't mind watching sponsored videos as long as it's content that is relatable to me. Whether it's a sponsored video or not, I will be definitely giving you my honest opinion. I will always let you know when there's an ad or a sponsor. I'm really liking my makeup today. I'm gonna get it so I can show you. It's the Alchemist Holographic palette. It's really nice. Oh, it's very dirty. It is a face and eye highlighter, but you can also use it on your lips. I use the pink opal shade on my cheeks, on my lips and on my eyes. If you want me to do a makeup tutorial with this, then let me know. So this is my 5 top beauty habits. I've got some good ones for you. So number 1, I picked this up about 2 years ago by Huda Beauty. She is God. She's a famous blogger who then made a makeup range. Definitely go check her out if you haven't. She suffers really badly from dark hairs around her face. I'm really blonde, but I get loads of hairs, like skin hair. When you come up close to my face, you can definitely see that I have a lot of hair, especially around this area. I've always been really self-conscious about my hair on my face, but I realised that everyone literally has that hair. She said about like shaving your face. Don't they just grow back twice as long and twice as tough and darker? I also trust Huda. So I kind of decided I was going to give it a go. It's not just any regular shaving. Don't go picking up a leg razor or anything. It's not that kind of shaving. You can get face shavers, a single blade on this like plastic stick, disposable, and they're really cheap. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. My mum just nicked one. I got 12 on eBay for about £3.67. You can't really get these in any drugstores. You have to get these online, unfortunately. You may think like, why would I even shave my face, Amy? This technique is amazing for applying makeup. I'm telling you now, it changes your makeup game. You will have the most smoothest foundation application that you have ever imagined in your life. All my makeup sits so lovely on my skin. It literally, there's no patchiness. If there's hair on your body that you want to get rid of, this is also something I use. Take a single razor, which looks like this. Comes with like a little lid on it, like most razors do. Always shave your face on a fresh face that's pre-washed. Pull back the skin very tightly and taut, like you would do in your eyebrows or something. And then in circular motions, get all the different little hairs along your chin. Never go upwards against the hair. You can do it along your lips, you can do it along your hairline, sometimes my bottom lip underneath here. Sometimes I do it carefully over the top of my eyebrows. I do it under my chin here, all around my jawline, and it will feel a bit tight and dry afterwards, so definitely grab a moisturiser and make sure you smother it into your face after. You'll be able to see really close up in like a magnified mirror. I have one like this, and it's like got the really oh, that's so dirty. You don't want any rashing, so make sure you only do it like once a month. I am so into my subscription services at the moment. Beauty stuff coming to your door once a month. It's like a little present to yourself. I think it's like the best idea ever. Scentbird are actually a subscription service based on perfume. I don't know about you, but I spend about £60 getting a high-end perfume from the duty free when I go away, and then I end up like using it maybe once a week, and over like 6-month period of having a expensive perfume, I'll just get sick of it. Let me show you something. I'm gonna get a glass of water. I'm trying not to ruin my lipstick. So they sent me these 4 perfumes, which I've got here. You get one of these a month. What one is this? Flora by Gucci Gracious Turbo Rose. 450 different perfumes which you can choose from. I didn't struggle on getting perfumes because I was like, yeah, I'm having that one, I'm having that one, I'm having that one. Gucci on there. They had the new Glossier perfume. I also got the Versace perfume as well, which I've never tried, but I've wanted to try it. You get 8 mils of perfume once a month for $14.95. You can use it by just twisting it up like a lipstick. Like, how cute is that? I love the convenience of it. Like, you can fit it in your purse, take it away with you because it's under 100 mils. It can make me feel from really shitty to really good instantly. You can do anything to your face. You can do anything you want. You can put as much makeup as you want. You can do as much work on your hair as possible. But the most important thing is that you're feeling confident. I will link all that information down below in the description box. So the next tip I've got is probably something you might have seen on Pinterest, which is where I found it. Eyeliner is something that everyone's like, ugh. When I'm having a stressy eyeliner day, this helps me so much. I usually do my eyeliner freehand, but there are those occasions where you're either in a rush, you're stressy AF, or you're going on a night out and you're really anxious like I am most of the time. This is just a grip that I have lying around, and as you can see, that end bit there can definitely pass as a flick. You take the, ooh, I've got black all over my hands. Oh shit. Make sure you wash your grip after, because now I have a black hand. I do this 2 ways. So sometimes I draw a felt tip on top of the side of the grip that I am using, and I just press it onto my eye, and then it like outlines my flick, and then I just fill it in. Or place the grip quite firmly on your outer corner of your eye and then grab a felt tip liner or a liquid liner or anything like that. I use a felt tip liner because that's just my go-to. You can just draw in where that grip is. Once I've filled in that little gap where the grip is, I then take the grip off, use my felt tip liner to just extend the flick a little bit longer, just because that's the way I like my eyeliner. You can leave it the way it is, but I think it's just a little bit too thick for me. Or just take a wet wipe, wrap it around your nail and flick the eyeliner outwards towards your eyebrow. The eyeliner that I use is the Collection Extreme 24-Hour Felt Tip Liner, a couple of pounds from Boots. My go-to eyeliner. I've never ever had an eyeliner that works better than this, and it's drugstore. I have got a little confession to make. I love the look of lip fillers, and I'm not promoting it in any sort of way. It's really hard to do that naturally. I've tried all the different techniques. I've used that little pump thing, you know, when people like blow on it. I've used the suction cup. I've used a ton of lip plumping products. I don't think anything has worked as good as this. It's like the cheapest hack I've ever like come across in my life. Using a toothbrush to scrub your lips. You have to use a dry toothbrush which has got bristles on it, so no rubber bits. This isn't a crazy product or anything. It's literally just my toothbrush that I usually use. I scrub for about a minute, and what it does, it takes any dead skin off your lips and it makes all the blood rush to your lips, which obviously makes them plump out. If you want plump lips instantly before a night out, this is like a technique I always go to. It leaves like a nice smooth layer to apply any lipstick or any lip gloss or lip balm that you'd like. It's such a good idea. Try it if you haven't already. The next hack I have for you, this might help some people and some people might have known this already. The roots of your hair produce oil over time. I have been spending loads of time trying to nourish my hair recently, using loads of different treatments on my hair. The one thing that I have found is keeping your hair greasy. It's on a day where you're in the house, or you're just doing your washing, or you're having a day off from life. It will make you feel so grim when you're doing it. Like, I feel so grim when my hair's greasy. You've got to make sure that you're not going out, because obviously that's going to do something to your self-esteem, if you know what I mean. Don't wash it. Don't wash your hair. Try and keep it as long as possible without washing your hair, because your natural oils in your hair acts as probably the best treatment that you can ever buy, ever. Like for me, because I've got blonde hair, when it's greasy you see it in the roots. It's so dark on the roots and it just looks so dull and disgusting. It looks near enough like brown hair on me. So I wash my hair maybe once every 3 days. I try and like rota when I'm not gonna wash my hair and when I'm gonna wash my hair. So I have like a day off where I can leave my hair go completely greasy and be disgusting and maybe just tie it up in a bun all day so that my hair can like regain strength. The next time you wash your hair, then it will be so silky and so shiny. You'll be thanking me. You will be thanking me, guys. Please. So that is it, guys. That concludes my 5 top habits for you. I hope it was useful and I would love to have you next time, so please subscribe. I've wanted to do this video for such a long time now. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and it spurs me on to do more videos for you. Link all the Scentbird information down below, so if you'd like to get your hands on that subscription service, then definitely take a look at the description box. I'm gonna go now. Thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next video.